In business, opportunities can come at any time, and knowing how to talk about them in English is key. In this lesson, you'll learn useful phrases and expressions to discuss opportunities confidently and clearly in professional settings. Let's get started. Hi Mark, good morning.
Morning Anna, great to see you. How have you been?
Doing well, thanks. Excited to share something new.
Oh, sounds interesting. What's the news?
I found a great business opportunity in the export market.
Tell me more.
There's a growing demand for organic food products overseas.
Organic food? That's trending everywhere now.
Exactly. Countries in Europe and Asia want high-quality organic fruits and vegetables.
That could be huge. What's the market size?
The organic food market is growing, around 10% annually worldwide.
Impressive. Any specific countries?
Germany, Japan, and South Korea have strong demand.
How about competition?
Moderate. Many local producers, but imports are welcome.
What's the price point?
Organic products sell at a 20 to 30% premium compared to regular ones.
That's good for margins.
Yes. Also, consumers are willing to pay more for quality.
What about supply? Can we source enough organic produce?
We have partnerships with certified organic farms here.
Are these farms certified by international standards?
Yes, they hold USDA organic and EU organic certifications.
That's important for export approval.
Definitely.
How about logistics? Shipping fresh produce can be tricky.
We plan to use refrigerated containers.
Cold chain management, right?
Exactly. Temperature control is crucial to keep freshness.
What about transit times?
From here to Europe, about 2 weeks by sea.
And to Asia?
Roughly 10 days.
That's manageable.
We're also exploring air freight for high-value items.
Though more expensive, but faster.
Yes, for urgent shipments.
What are the costs involved?
Initial investment in packaging and certification updates.
Any regulatory challenges?
We need to comply with import regulations in each country.
Like phytosanitary certificates?
Exactly, plus quality testing.
What about marketing?
We can use digital marketing and partnerships with local distributors.
Local partners will help with market access.
Absolutely.
How about pricing strategy?
competitive but aligned with premium quality.
Have you done a SWOT analysis?
Yes. Strengths include quality and certifications.
Weaknesses.
Supply chain complexity and costs.
Opportunities.
Expanding organic market and growing health trends.
Threats.
Potential trade barriers and competition.
Sounds thorough.
We also considered risks like crop failures.
Good to plan for contingencies.
We have insurance for shipments and crop protection.
Smart.
What about investment?
How much capital do you need?
Around $500,000 to start, mainly for inventory, certification, and marketing.
How long until return on investment?
Expected within 2 years, with steady growth after.
Sounds promising.
I believe this opportunity fits well with our expertise.
Agreed. What's the next step?
We need a detailed business plan and investor presentation.
I can help with the financial projections.
That would be great.
Also, I suggest a pilot shipment to test the process.
Yes, a small batch to start.
Do you have potential customers already?
Yes, a few contacts in Europe interested.
That's encouraging.
We should visit the farm soon.
Definitely, seeing operations firsthand is important.
And meet the distributors.
Right.
I'll prepare a timeline for the next 6 months.
Excellent.
Do you have any concerns?
Just the logistics costs and regulatory hurdles.
We will monitor those closely.
Good.
What about staffing?
We'll need a small team focused on export compliance.
I agree.
Plus marketing and customer service.
Yes, customer support will be key.
Any plans for branding?
A strong, eco-friendly brand identity.
Perfect for organic products.
We also want to highlight sustainability.
That's a strong selling point.
I'll arrange a meeting with our marketing agency.
Great.
Let's schedule weekly updates.
Sounds good.
Should we set key performance indicators?
Yes, metrics for sales, costs, and customer growth.
We can review them monthly.
That will keep us on track.
Do you think we need external advisors?
A legal advisor for contracts would be wise.
And maybe a consultant for EU regulations.
Good idea. It avoids costly mistakes.
What about funding sources? Bank or private investors?
A mix of both could reduce risk.
I'll reach out to a few investors next week.
Perfect. I can prepare the pitch deck.
Should we include case studies in the presentation?
Absolutely. Real examples build credibility.
We can use feedback from our test customers.
Yes, testimonials are powerful.
Do you think we should attend trade fairs?
Definitely. They're great for networking.
I'll check upcoming events in Germany and France.
Excellent. Those markets are key.
We'll need promotional material for the fairs.
I'll coordinate with the design team.
Great. Let's finalize the action list this week.
Agreed. Then we can start executing.
Should we also plan a press release once we launch?
Yes, media coverage will boost visibility.
I'll draft one and share it with you.
Great. We can refine it together.
Do you think we should approach local influencers?
Absolutely. Authentic voices connect with customers.
Maybe eco-conscious bloggers and chefs.
Perfect match for our target audience.
What about pricing strategy?
Premium, but competitive, quality must justify it.
We can also offer smaller trial packs.
Smart lowers entry barriers for new buyers.
Do you think we should explore online sales right away?
Yes, e-commerce is essential from the start.
I'll talk with our IT partner about a web shop.
Good. And don't forget multilingual support.
Of course, English, German, and French at first.
That covers most of Europe.
Should we line up logistics partners now?
Yes, better to compare options early.
I'll request quotes this week.
Perfect. We'll choose the most reliable.
Once we secure funding, we'll be ready to launch.
Exciting. Let's make it happen.
I'll summarize all the action points in a document and share it with you.
Excellent. That will keep everything organized.
Should we set a follow-up meeting after the pilot shipment?
Definitely. We can review results and next steps then.
I'm confident this plan will work well.
Me too. It's a solid foundation.
Thanks for your guidance and support throughout.
And thank you for leading this initiative so effectively.
Let's keep the momentum going and make this a success.
Absolutely. Looking forward to seeing it grow.
I'll send the timeline and updates by tomorrow.
Perfect. Talk soon, Anna.
Talk soon, Mark. Have a great evening.
You too, Anna. Goodbye.